Hello guys, how are you doing today? I will teach you how to say salam in Amharic for a lot of people or for more than one person. So let's start. So when you want to say hi or to want a great for a more than one person, you can use one of these alternatives. One of these alternatives. So let's see one by one. So this is Amharic greetings for plural or for more than one person. So this is the greeting part and this is the response part. So if you want to say how are you doing for a lot of person, so you can say እንዴት ናችሁ እንዴት ናችሁ for more than one person or for a plural አይደለ? So how are you doing if you want to say how are you doing, so you can say in Amharic እንዴት ናችሁ እንዴት ናችሁ. So this works for more than one person or for a lots of people. So the response for you, we are good, how about you? We are good, how about you? ደህና ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? ደህና ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? So you can respond for them, thanks to God I'm fine too. Thanks to God I'm fine too. እኔም ደህና ነኝ ፈጣሪ ይመስገን እኔም ደህና ነኝ ፈጣሪ ይመስገን. Or you can use as alternative how are you? How are you? How are you? ደህና ናችሁ ደህና ናችሁ ደህና ናችሁ. So the response from them, we are fine, how about you? We are fine, how about you? ሰላም ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? ሰላም ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? Then you can respond for them, I'm good, I'm good. ደህና ነኝ ደህና ነኝ. Or the other alternative or the other choice is are you okay? Are you okay? ሰላም ናችሁ ሰላም ናችሁ ወይ? ሰላም ናችሁ ወይ? ሰላም ናችሁ ወይ? Then they respond for you, we are alive, we are alive. Are you fine? We are alive, are you fine? አለን ሰላም ነው አለን ሰላም ነው. Or we are alive for you, አለንልህ አለንልህ. We are alive for you, we are alive for you, አለንልህ. Then you can say I'm alive አለሁ I'm alive አለሁ. So and the other one is are you fine? Are you fine? አማን ናችሁ አማን ናችሁ አማን ናችሁ. Then the response for you, we are fine, how about you? We are fine, how about you? አማን ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? አማን ነን አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? Then you can respond for them, I'm fine too, I'm fine too. እኔም ደህና ነኝ እኔም ደህና ነኝ. Or the other one is may God grant you good health. May God grant you good health. So this phrase or this greeting phrase we can use for a person or for a girl, for elders and for a boy and for a lot of people, or for plural one. So ጤና ይስጥልኝ ጤና ይስጥልኝ ጤና ይስጥልኝ. Then the response for you, may God grant you good health too. May God grant you good health too. አብሮ ይስጥልኝ አብሮ ይስጥልኝ. Or you can use are you live for me? Are you live for me? አላችሁ አላችሁ አላችሁ. You can say for a lot of people or for more than one person. You can say you can greet like አላችሁ አላችሁ. Are you live for me? አላችሁ. Then the response for you, we are alive for you. We are alive for you. አለንልህ አለንልህ. አለንልህ. I respond for you, አለንልህ. So this is all about today's lesson. So you can practice it with voice and with writing words. And so thanks for watching my videos. So see you to another video. Bye.